The Weaver Bird by Kofi Awoonor. The weaver bird built in our house and laid its egg on our only tree. We did not want to send it away. We watched the building of the nest and supervised the egg laying. And the weaver returned in the guise of the owner, preaching salvation to us that owned the house. They say it came from the west, where the storms at sea had felled the gulls, and the fishers dried their nets by lantern light. Its sermon is the divination of ourselves and our new horizon limits at its nest. But we cannot join the prayers and answers of the communicants. We look for new homes every day, for new altars we strive to rebuild, the old shrines defiled by the weaver's excrement.